You're listening to NOAA weather radio station KIH-21, operating on a frequency of 162.40 MHz. This station serves a specific area message encoder for special receivers during emergencies. NOAA weather radio broadcasts 24 hours a day, from the National Weather Service in New Orleans' Baton Rouge Area Forecast Office in Slidell, Louisiana. Our transmitter is located in Gulfport, Mississippi. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 77, effective until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties, in Mississippi: George, Hancock, Harrison, Jackson, Pearl River and Stone, and the following marine locations: Mississippi Sound, Chandelier Sound, and coastal waters from Pascagoula, Mississippi to Stake Island out 20 nautical miles. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions, and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. You're listening to NOAA weather radio station KIH-21, operating on a frequency of 162.40 MHz. This station serves a specific area message encoder for special receivers during emergency.